Ever wondered why your car seems to be drifting to one side or your tires are wearing unevenly? That's probably a sign that your vehicle needs an alignment. But what is car alignment and why does it matter so much? Car alignment, also known as wheel alignment, is the process of adjusting the angles of your vehicle's wheels to meet the manufacturer's specifications. It's a complex operation that involves adjusting three main components: the camber, caster, and toe. These might sound like jargon, but they essentially refer to the angles at which your tires hit the road. The importance of car alignment cannot be overstated. It's crucial for your safety, the longevity of your car, and your wallet. Let's delve into why. Firstly, proper alignment ensures your vehicle handles correctly. When your car's alignment is off, it can pull to one side or the other, making it harder to steer and control your vehicle. This can be especially dangerous in adverse weather conditions or in an emergency situation when quick and accurate steering is vital. Secondly, misalignment can lead to premature tire wear. If your tires aren't aligned correctly, they won't wear evenly. This means you'll have to replace them more frequently, which can be a significant expense. Proper alignment, on the other hand, helps your tires last longer, saving you money in the long run. Lastly, a well-aligned car is more fuel efficient. When your car's alignment is off, your vehicle has to work harder to move forward, which means it burns more fuel. By ensuring your car is correctly aligned, you can improve your gas mileage and reduce your carbon footprint. To summarize, car alignment is a critical aspect of vehicle maintenance that often gets overlooked. It's the process of adjusting the angles of your vehicle's wheels to ensure they're in line with the manufacturer's specifications. Doing so can improve your car's handling, extend the life of your tires, and increase fuel efficiency. So the next time you notice your car pulling to one side or your tires wearing unevenly, it might be worth getting your alignment checked. It's not just about saving money on tires and fuel, it's about ensuring your safety on the road. Remember, a well-maintained car is a well-performing car, and a well-performing car makes for a happy driver. Stay safe and happy motoring.